We were standing next to a hole in the wall.
Do I look like some pushover you can just slap around?
Don't!